Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to have my daughter Allison and my daughter Juliet. And she has a YouTube channel if you want to check it out.
Julie Sparkles.
Julie Sparkles, sorry. And then she's really excited because today she has a great idea to do my makeup and we're going to make it a challenge. Allison's going to do this side of my face and Juliet's going to do this side of my face. So, the first thing we have to do is prime the skin, right?
Yeah.
So, we have to get our primer. So, let's get our primer all over. Rub it in. It's cold, girls.
All over?
Yeah, all over. My chin, my forehead. Not my ear. Right here. Well, just where the makeup goes. On your side, Allison. On your side. So, my nose too, girls. My nose.
Allison, that's my side.
Your side, Allison. There you go.
Half.
Okay, now that we have our base down, what do we need next? Foundation.
What in the world is foundation?
This is foundation. So you can use the stick or the mommy's favorite.
Mommy's favorite.
What do you want? Okay, so I'm gonna help you. You're gonna put it all over mommy's face. Let me see.
Is it gonna be chilly?
Just gonna be careful because you're gonna get it on yourself. You got a hair. Okay.
Is it gonna be chilly for you?
And just go ahead, put it all over my face like mommy does. Like mommy does. You're doing a great job. Make sure you blend it in and tell me when you're done.
Okay.
Yeah, good job. All over. Make sure you get all the spots. Don't punch me in the face. You're doing a great job, girls. Let me get my hair out of my way. Go ahead, all over. Make sure there's nothing left. And you put, yeah, go. That's great. Make sure you do the neck too.
Okay.
Bounce lightly, not scrape. Bounce it. That's the technique. And under my eyes. Under my eyes, girls.
Okay.
Under my eyes. You have to cover. Yeah. It's okay. You're not gonna hurt me.
Boom. Boom.
Are you done, Allison, or no?
I'm done. I'm done.
You're done? So this is
Mom,
the
look!
work that they did. Are you sure you're done? So now we need to conceal my bags. Look at this. Okay, so I only got one concealer right now. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
And then you could go first.
Really? What do we do with it?
You put it on my eyes. On the bottom.
No.
On the bottom. Okay, right there. And then on my nose. Okay, Julie, it's your turn now. So put it where mommy usually puts it. Do you know where?
Okay, bottom of the eye.
Okay. And then where else?
The nose.
And then where else do I put it?
Hmm?
You don't remember when you see mommy does it?
Put it too.
It went on my nose. Okay, Allison and Julie, you can now blend it out with the sponge. Okay, I'll shut it. You go ahead.
Two hours later.
Okay, put it all over my face. Just brush it all over my face. All over, all over, all over. All over.
Nice. Make your shine look good. Make your shine look beautiful. Then you have some pink.
I thought you were doing my eyes, but okay. Go ahead, mommy, whatever you want.
She doesn't know what to pursue.
It's okay.
And add a little pink. Nose?
Whatever you want.
Nose. Oh my god, Allison.
Oh yeah, you're doing my highlight? What a good girl. She remembered. She was getting this one and doing my highlight. Wow, you remembered.
I gotta get the gold one. Golden cheeks. I'm gonna get the purple.
Purple? Where's the purple gonna go?
We're here.
Where are you gonna put it on my face?
Put your head.
Okay. Is that a new makeup look?
Yeah.
What is it called? Get on your side.
Allison, it was not my spot.
Are you guys done with the eyeshadow?
No, I'm not done.
Okay.
I'm not done.
Are you making me a purple grape?
Yes. I don't know what to. Let's do it.
Are you having fun? Hey, on your side. Just your side. Half of your... What are you doing? What are you doing
I know more.
Oh my...
Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Gold.
Okay, hurry up, Allison. What do you want?
Gold.
That one? Where's it gonna go?
Pink gold. It's a pin.
On my chin?
Buckly purple. You ready to close your eyes for this? Buckly purple. Unicorns.
Okay, do you think you should do my eyeliner next?
Yes, I call for yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
For red
She's
shoes.
in the shockwave. What do you want?
I want Paw Patrol. Red. Paw Patrol. Maybe I changed my mind. Mama, put it back. Paw Patrol.
Okay.
Paw Patrol.
Okay,
Allison.
go ahead. So we could do our eyelashes next. Tell me when you're done.
Okay.
Are you, Allison, you're so cute. Let me see you.
Mom, look.
Look what you did to me.
Paw Patrol.
Are you guys done with the eyeliner? You want to do my lips next?
Yes, I call for pink. Mom, look. I call for pink,
Oh,
Mom.
my lipstick's right here.
I call for pink.
Wow.
Dirty pink. Allison.
Do your side.
Allison, you maybe have a little spot now.
Just go halfway.
Allison.
You're right here, up to here. Okay? Okay, you do the other side. Do it here, Allison.
Right here. Right here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what a beautiful lips. Oh my god. Daddy's gonna find me so attractive.
Okay, why are you moving your eyes?
Because I'm scared. I'm gonna poke my eyes out. Oh, what pretty long lashes. What are you guys doing?
I'm doing the eyes.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes for this. I don't move.
I'm scared. Okay, now let's do my eyebrows. Yeah?
Yes! I call for the best one ever you have.
Oh, okay, you're gonna use that? Push harder, mommy. Harder.
It broke already.
Because be careful. Where does it? Okay, go put it on my face. Put it on my face. Oh my god. Help me. You're gonna ruin my highlighter.
Not done.
Okay. Wow, what all over. And then the last step, girls, is my spray.
My chin.
Yeah, we got 2 sprays. Come on. Spray my whole face.
Mommy.
And we're all done.
Okay.
Not too close. On my hair? On my face. Put it farther away. You're scaring me. Ah, my arm! Here, mommy. Look. Like that.
Ow.
You see? That's not funny. That's scary.
Paw Patrol.
No, I'm scared. Okay, guys, so this is my look. So pretty. No, it's not. So this is what my babies did. She's dabbing over here like a crazy girl.
Yeah.
And So creative. Look at that highlight though.
She did that to
So
my...
I hope you enjoy our little adventure, and I hope you subscribe if you like it. And if you want to see more of these two goofballs, then subscribe and
what
recommend.
we should do next. And thank you for watching.
Wait.
Say bye, girls.
Wait.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.